Hi guys, this is Chaitanya Ahuja and I am unboxing my OnePlus 6. This is middle black version. So here you can check it out. Do I have a scissor here? No. Okay, hand works. I think the OnePlus 6 gives away a cover also. Nah, who cares? Wow, this is really big. 6.28 inch. How do I remove this? Oh wait. Here we go. So here is, I think it's with the cover. It's amazing, obviously. So it has the dash. What do you call this? The plug-in, the charger, and the wire. I don't know why, but I can't remove it. It's stuck inside. No, wait here. It has the OnePlus sign also. Wait, yeah, I think you can see it now. Yep. Here's the dash charger, which will charge it in half an hour. Okay, so I can't remove this. Let's remove it. Alright, so now what do I do? There. Did I crack it? I love it. Check it out. Should I remove this bit? Let's read. The central of the camera is NFC sensor. I do not know what NFC is. Please help me in this. Then okay, so this is information about the SIM cards. You all will read it when you get the phone. I'm not going to read it out. Okay, wait. So there is a warning. All the OnePlus 6 users might know, but for the ones who don't know, it says please do not attempt to disassemble the back cover. OnePlus 6 is not responsible for any damage arising from unauthorized disassembly of the device. You may contact our customer support for help or other inquiries. As this protector contains important information about this device, we recommend that it is kept for future reference. That's okay. Okay, I'm gonna remove it, and I'll put it inside the cover, the box right here.
Give me some privacy!
Alright, so the mirror black edition, I think I should remove this. Alright, done. Wow, just look at this. Look at the effect. I can see myself. That's me in the phone, and that's me in the phone back screen, and it'll keep going on. Wow. Try. See, it's really good. So as it says that this has an 845 Snapdragon processor. You can change the quality of the camera to whatever you want, but I don't think the videos in slow motion will be no, the videos in slow motion take up to 720p only. Wow, I just love it. 6.28 inch. It's like, will it fit? It's bigger than my phone, obviously. My phone's a Google Pixel, and here it is. So this is just a preview of the OnePlus 6 middle black edition.
Give me some privacy!
I actually thought that the back screen and the front screen could be confused, but it's like one might be thinking that only, but no, it's the OnePlus sign, the fingerprint, the camera is on the back. So guys, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my video.